The sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in our body. Sciatica is the pain experienced in the lower back, legs, and buttocks, and it is one of the most common back issues. This pain is usually caused by a pinched or irritated sciatic nerve. Despite the debilitating pain, this condition is also manifested by tingling and numbness in the legs. Medications specialized for sciatica pain provide only temporary effects, so experts recommend regular exercise and yoga stretches as the best way to treat it. These are the most common symptoms of sciatica. Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we are happy to provide you with the best health tips. To enjoy our videos constantly, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Aggravated sitting. Pain in the lower back or one side of the hip, which goes down to the buttocks and legs. Constant pain in the buttock. Tingling in the legs. Stabbing pain, which aggravates moving and standing. Weakness, numbness, or difficulty moving the foot or leg. We will recommend the following homemade remedy for sciatica, which effectively soothes these symptoms. This is how to prepare it. Sciatica and back pain remedy. Ingredients: 200 milliliters of milk, 4 cloves of garlic, honey to taste. Method of preparation. First, crush the garlic cloves and cook them on low heat. Gradually add the milk while cooking, and as soon as it boils, remove it from the heat. You can add honey to sweeten it in the end if the garlic taste is too strong for you. Use. You should consume this remedy once daily, and the effects will be felt really soon. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which will soothe the sciatica symptoms and prevent swelling of the sciatic nerve. To accelerate the healing, you should combine the use of this remedy with regular exercise and stretches.